Imagine a world where everyone has at least one AI product that generates income for them. How liberating would that be? It's not just about financial freedom, but also about the numerous prospects for personal growth and development. We could use AI to unlock our true potential, pursue our hobbies, and devote our time to the things that are actually important to us. So, let's embrace the power of AI and make this vision a reality. Welcome to the From Zero to Wealth channel. If you're new here, this channel provides you easy to understand information about wealth creation through personal finance and investing, teaching you what schools should have. And if you're returning, welcome back. AI is more than a tool. It's a transformative force that is reshaping how we live, work, and dream. Here are 6 high profitable products that you can make with the help of AI to earn passive income. AI-generated music and soundtracks. Amper Music, Ava, and OpenAI's MuseNet are AI music composition tools that allow you to produce creative music and soundtracks without any prior musical experience. These compositions can be sold as royalty-free music on platforms such as Audio Jungle, Pond5, or your own website, creating passive money as users license your songs for their projects. AI-written ebooks and guides. It's like having a great assistant who can write fascinating articles, blog posts, and ebooks on any subject you want. AI systems evaluate massive amounts of data, research, and trends to provide you with high-quality, personalized content. You can generate materials for ebooks, manuals, or informational goods on a variety of themes by using AI-powered writing tools such as GPT-3, Jasper, or Copy.ai. You can sell these digital products through platforms such as Amazon, Gumroad, or your own website, earning passive income as buyers buy your ebooks and manuals. So, how much money can you make? The revenue potential is enormous, and it increases as you create your content library. Some have reported a significant monthly income ranging from hundreds to thousands of dollars. It's about assembling a library of useful material that will continue to serve you long after you've created. AI-created stock trading or investment strategies. You're not just investing when you use AI-created tactics. You're investing smarter. You're freeing up time as your artificial intelligence works continuously to make your money work for you. That's the beauty of it. You're not constrained by your 9-to-5 job. You're creating a second income stream that runs on its own. AI-created stock trading or investment techniques entail the use of artificial intelligence to evaluate massive amounts of financial data, discover trends, and generate market forecasts. This means that, rather than depending on human intuition, we can use AI to make better decisions about where to invest our hard-earned money. It's like having a super smart financial advisor working for us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. AI-generated NFTs. NFTs have grown in popularity in the digital art and collectibles market. You can enter this expanding market by using AI techniques to generate unique and unusual digital art or collectibles. AI-generated avatars, virtual real estate, and limited edition digital artworks are just a few examples. OpenSea, Rarible, and Foundation platforms let you mint and sell NFTs, possible making considerable profits as collectors and enthusiasts bid on your creations. AI-enhanced voiceover and podcast production services. With the growing popularity of podcasts and audiobooks, there's an increased demand for professional voiceovers and audio production. You can utilize AI-powered tools like Descript, Wellset Labs, or Lyrebird to create lifelike voiceovers and effectively edit audio content. You can build a sustainable income stream by delivering a service that blends AI-generated voiceovers with professional audio editing to podcasters, audiobook authors, and businesses in need of voiceovers for promotional materials. AI-powered customizable merchandise. Personalized and custom stuff is a popular option for customers looking for one-of-a-kind and meaningful gifts. You may create personalized logos, graphics and design for a variety of things such as clothes, accessories, and home decor by using AI-powered design tools such as Luca. You may then sell these goods through print-on-demand businesses like Printful, Printify, or Teespring, making money as buyers buy your one-of-a-kind and personalized creations. So, even if you work full-time, you can benefit from this cutting-edge technology. Remember that while AI can help to automate many activities, producing a successful passive income stream frequently requires initial investment in research, development, and marketing. And keeping the quality and relevance of your AI-generated products is critical for long-term success. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn your bell notification on for more videos like this. We'll see you in our next video.